Chisom, your father said you should come and eat. I'm not hungry, ma. Is it because of that result? Life goes on. I scored 287, ma. Then why didn't they call you? Maybe you're not as brilliant as you think.
Chisom, why are you still here?
Sir, I didn't get admission.
You're on the scholarship list. Full scholarship.
Have you ever wondered how people create those hyper-realistic AI dialogue videos with lifelike emotions, natural conversations, and cinematic scenes? In this video, I'll show you how to animate your AI images and turn them into realistic dialogue videos using a completely free AI tool. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I teach how to create amazing AI content and grow with AI for free. If that's your kind of content, hit subscribe.
So to create a dialogue AI video, you need story, okay? So I'm using Claude in this case to generate a storyline. And I actually have some things in my head that I wanted to put out there, especially realistic stuff that happens in Nigerian homes. So, I just go ahead to download exactly what is in my head on Claude AI. So Claude now gave me like 3 or 4 story ideas I can choose from. So here are a few things I want you to take notes about what I tell Claude AI. I talked about the fact that I want my story to have a plot twist, because what is a story without a plot twist? The first story I have here is the rent, the baby is not mine, the scholarship, the transfer, the promotion. I worked on 1 to 4 of the storylines, the story ideas rather, and I created the videos with amazing free AI tools that gave me like impeccable results, and I'm so amazed about the results I got from them. So I'm going to pick one of the story and work on it. As you can see, the rent, the hook is there, the story is there, the plot twist which I talk about is there. So the baby is not mine also had all the plot twists, and also the scholarship. So the scholarship is the video you actually saw that played at the beginning of this tutorial. So we're going to work on the transfer. We're going to be working together on the transfer, and this transfer is a story of a young lady who just got her monthly salary, and she thought she's transferring to a landlord's account, unknown to her that she's transferring to somebody else. And the plot twist is later we get to find out that the person she's transferring the money to is someone from our church. That's the plot twist in that story. So now the story, the transfer, is what we're working on, and I said give me settings and dialogue for story 4. Story 4 is the transfer, okay? So I hope you get me. So this is scene 1. This explains the room of the lady, how she got the transfer from a place of work. She was amazing, she was happy, and all of a sudden she made a transfer then to the wrong person. So you see the strange voice when she was on call with the strange person talking to the person about how she made the wrong transfer. So this is still scene 3, and this is end card. Claude can be so detailed. He even give us the full production notes. So in case yours does not come with production notes, you can just screenshot this part so you can ask Claude to give you when you're about to fix yours, okay? So one other thing I did is I said please add sound effects for it to be more cinematic. So it's just me, it's just something about me. I love to create cinematic videos. I love my videos to be so cinematic, so the sounds are included right here. So it's just like refixing the scenes and adding in sound effects. So that's exactly what I get here. Please do not skip any part of this video so you can get to understand exactly what I did in my video, okay? There is something about this kind of stories, it's something that can continue, okay? So it doesn't just seem to end in scene 1 or scene 3. You can still continue the story to keep our people engaging. If you watch to this part of this video, please do well to like this video. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Moving forward, this is exactly what you're going to do. In case you needed to generate images for consistency's sake, you can now tell Claude AI to give you the consistent image prompt for this story, okay? And you're going to click on send. So you are going to have list of the consistent image prompts based on the characters, the main characters, just to help you. So you see the description: Ngozi, Tunde, Tunde's wife. These are exactly people that are in the scene, okay? So for me, I am not going to work with the image generation right now. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm still going to get my characters to remain consistent in the video without even changing anything, and I'm going to do that with you, okay? So do not worry, just stay to the end of the video. Now we're going to start with scene 1. Like I said, if you needed to create AI images first. It's very good. You can go ahead and create, but I'm going to rely on the source of the AI video too I'm about to share with you because it's so amazing. It helps you to generate AI images. I mean, to just animate videos for you. And as a sound engineer that you are, you can do well to use this method I'm about to share with you to remain or to keep your characters consistent. So we're going to copy all these to some parts, you know, and you just copy to some parts. Sound effects is plenty right here, okay, so don't worry about them, just copy to some part. So I'm going to walk you through the tool we're going to be using to create our AI video. The name is GenV. You see it right here, GenV. Okay, just go ahead and download this app. It's very amazing app. It creates amazing videos for you. You're not even going to be able to tell if it is Grok AI you're using or just a free tool, even though this is also a paid tool. But there is this part that you can be able to create AI videos for free. So when you download this app on your mobile phone, you are going to have this interface first. But this is exactly what I want you to notice. It can generate image for you and it can also generate video. And apart from that, you cannot just walk your way through this without a proper guide. And that's exactly what I'm trying to share with you here. If you copy your prompt and paste here as a new user, you might not get anything. You will not even get any video because you have not set up the right settings. So let me show you exactly what you have to set up. This is exactly why I said do not skip any part of this video so that you can understand perfectly the secret behind this deal. So you're going to click on this part to, you see where I clicked on right here. Okay, just click anything that appears there. Then you're going to see this model. You see this model, yours can be here when you just get started. It's a free video, but you're not using free video. Okay, you're just going to click on this Google View 3.1 fast. So you click on it, then here you change it to 8 seconds. It's automatically at 8 seconds though, because then here you decide the kind of settings you want. Maybe you want the aspect ratio to be 16:9, which is the standard YouTube video long form, or you want it to be 9:16, which is YouTube short. This can also be postable on TikTok, on Facebook. Okay, so the resolution that is available to you as a free user is 720p. Okay, you cannot use this one because you have to upgrade. So you are going to set it up and you have access to start creating your video for totally free after you are done setting it up. So you just click here and paste your prompts. So now let's assume you actually want to use your image here. So you click here, then click on upload to go bring your image in. Okay, so image I would have generated, assuming I want to use image Parascene. So this is it right here. I generated it just using Gemini AI. For me, like I said, I want to show you other method that you can use even without using AI images. So you click on create here and you're going to allow it to load. You're going to allow it to play the art. It's going to show you processing, and after it's done processing, I mean when the art is done running, you're going to see processing. After that, you're going to see your video automatically generated for you. So can you see the video here? We're going to play it together now so we can see exactly what we're about to able to run together.
Please sir, I think I made a mistake.
So let me play that again.
Hello? Please sir, I think I made a mistake.
So what you're going to do after this is to click on download. So when you click on download, it's also going to play hard for you. Do not worry, just allow the hard to play, then it's going to automatically save on your mobile phone. Meanwhile, you can generate as much as possible videos using this process. Now let me walk you through the exact thing I have in mind to do, because me, I'm a queen of continuity. I love my scenes flowing into each other as if who cares. Okay, so I'm going to take a good screenshot of this lady. Right here we have a close mark, you know, she's closer to the camera, and I will just take a screenshot of this. Then where she moves out of, out of the camera a bit, maybe showing her environment where she is, maybe her room, maybe office or anything, depending on your own script. I'm going to take another screenshot, especially that last scene, the last part. You see this very last part here, I'm going to take the screenshot of that so that it can flow into another scene, so it won't be as if now cut and join. I know you get my point now. So it won't be as if it is cut and join. Nobody is going to dictate that I actually created this video in 8 seconds. They are going to think I created them interwovenly. So I'm going to just screenshot it, then go back I'll go back and crop my image, then click on upload to bring that image in. Then go back to Claude AI to go copy the next scene. Copy till, so I copy, then click on copy to go paste, click on create. So it's going to automatically create my video for me. So I hope you really understand the process I showed you, able to create the video you saw at the intro of this tutorial. Okay, so right now I couldn't create a proper video of myself talking to the camera because I've been so busy lately, and I still needed to show up on my YouTube channel to show you guys exactly how you can also create AI videos and make good money, because I've been busy with my own AI channel. So I was still able to show up using a character that looks exactly like me, even though it's not so close, but at least you know, when you saw her you felt okay, there is some striking resemblance. And if you care to know exactly how I was able to create that video without even stressing, let me know in the comments. I'm going to create a tutorial that shows you exactly how I'm able to create my influencer to speak for me even when I'm busy and tired creating. So if you watch this video to this very end, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to let me know in the comments that you've subscribed, and do not forget to let me know in the comments that you like this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video. I remain Olayinka Adebayo. I will see you in the next one. Bye.